In activity 4C, we're going to continue working with the same drawing where we just altered our point label descriptions and our point style, and we're going to manually create a point. So from the Home tab at the left where I have the Create Ground Data, I'm going to click on the Points option, and I'm going to choose the Point Creation Tools. This will open my Create Points dialog box, and I'm going to, well, in this case it's expanded, but if it's not, you click on the double chevron at the far right to open that. We're going to go down to the point identity, and we're going to set that for the next point to be 260. So we're going to click in point identity to expand it, and then in next point number we're going to enter 260. Once we've done that, we're going to go up to the top where we choose our options for creating points, and we're going to choose to create our point manually. So I'm going to click Manual, and now I'm going to enter some coordinates. So at the command prompt, where I'm asked, please specify a location for a new point, I'm going to type, just as given in item number 5 on page 30 of chapter 4, we're going to type in 6256069.30, comma, 203 6634.25. Once I've entered those coordinate values in, I'll hit enter to enter them, and I'm prompted for a point description, and I'm going to type in HYD for my point description. Having done that, I'll hit enter, and I'll be prompted for a point elevation. Now I'm going to hit enter again to accept the default there, which is, you see it in between the brackets, it is simply a period because it's unknown. So we'll hit enter to move along, and then to finish the command we'll hit enter one more time, and then we'll hit the X in the upper right hand corner of our point dialog box to close it. So now that I've created the point, I'll zoom to it using the transparent toolbar vertically arranged at the right, and we'll look for the point icon with the zoom magnifying glass. We'll click on that, and we are able to zoom to a point number, and we'll type in 260. The identity of the point we just created. We'll hit enter, and we've zoomed in right to that point. So we've created a point, we've identified it as number 260, we're displaying HYD, and we selected very specific coordinates for location. So that was a manual point creation. We'll save our drawing, and we'll be prepared to continue on with it for activity 4D.